Hey guys, it's Garrett, and this here is my first computer build. Now, housing this build is the Thermaltake core in white. Now, I really love the look and design of this case. It's pretty simple compared to other cases out there, but I really like the simplicity of it. Now, if white's not your style, they do have it available in black as well. Providing the power for this build is my wall outlet connected to the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus power supply. Now, forgive me for the messy cables. I haven't gotten around to doing them yet, but I may be doing a video on me getting my ass kicked trying to make everything look neat in there. So you may want to stick around and subscribe to see that. Now let's get into the stuff you guys really care about, all the rest of the shit inside the case. So the CPU I picked is the Core i5 6600. Now when choosing, I was between this one and the Core i7 6700, and I finally settled on the 6600 for the cost. Now, even though I'd be editing video and the i7 would have really performed here, the i5 hasn't let me down. Now, I have this paired with 8GB of Ballistic Sports DDR4 RAM, and I'm constantly running After Effects, Premiere Pro, Chrome, and some other apps at the same time with no problem. Now, when picking the GPU, I wanted something that was budget-friendly, but with decent power for some gaming and helping with the rendering. I settled on the Gigabyte 1050 Ti, and for the little bit of gaming I do, it has really performed well. I wasn't expecting that much, but it allows me to play Farming Simulator at 4K at about 30 frames per second on average, and then Rainbow Six I play at 2560 by 1440, and I get an average FPS of about 44. Now my storage in this build consists of two drives, the Western Digital 1TB drive, and a 240GB Crucial SSD. I really can't imagine a better pair than an SSD and a hard drive disk. Now, all of these parts get connected on the Gigabyte motherboard. I'm not an expert on motherboards at all, so I didn't need a whole lot for this build. I just wanted a reliable board that had a lot of good reviews, and it had to be, of course, in the form factor that I needed, with one PCI slot for my graphics card. Well guys, that wraps it up on my first computer build. If you guys want to see some benchmarks, let me know down in the comments and I will get on those. I really enjoyed building my first computer, and it's something I've wanted to do for quite a while. I couldn't have done it without my buddy Dusty. He helped me through it for my first time. I picked out all the parts, but he came over, taught me some things, and really didn't let me f*** anything up. I really appreciate it. It would have probably took a little longer for me to do if it had been on my own, and shit may have got broken. I hope to do another one in the future. I'm not sure how soon, but if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and we hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button, and we will catch you all on the next one.